Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face, it, they already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking, and they be like, where you been? Make sure the liquor brown, drink it all up.
Back to my channel, it's your girl Chante, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? Be sure to hit that subscription button, followed by the notification bell to follow, so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to bring to you this Melanin hair care and all of their products. So if you want to hear and see my honest opinion on these products, just keep on watching. Let's get right into this. I have already, look at that hair. I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and it's so soft. It's so big. Like, ever since I started using the Texture ID shampoo and conditioner, my hair is just like so happy. So, as you saw from the title and the intro, we are going to be reviewing the Melanin hair care products. I'm excited because this has gotten like all the rage. So as per usual, I'm going to tie my hair up. Look at these curls in the back. Like, no product, just over air dry. I'm gonna leave it out because, you know, the last time I just kept running my hands through it, it's easier to just have something to grab onto. So we're gonna water her. Dum dum dee dum dee 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 dum. A little bit more water. The end's feeling really good, not like that brittle feeling of like, we're dead. Then just combing my hair with just that water. And I didn't leave anything in my hair this time. Like, usually I'll leave like conditioner or leave-in conditioner. I mean deep conditioner. But today I was like, I want to see what these products do. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Actually, I should put some more water, because my hair likes to be like, for me to get the good results, I need it to have a nice saturation. It doesn't have to be drenched, but it has to be real moistened. So now I'm gonna go in with that leave-in conditioner, very light, like a lotion texture. So let's see. It smells like, I feel like I smell, first thing I thought of was the nail salon. But not like in a bad way. It smells like a nail salon, but I don't know how to explain it. That's the first thing that came to my mind. But it doesn't smell bad. It's got like a minty smell. You know I love my minty products. Okay. Already I can see nice definition within my curls. Making sure to get the roots, because everything need love. Not a lot of product like left on my hand. It's very, very light residue. This butter that I'm now putting in to lock and load this styling cream, that it's got like a buttery consistency. It's like a nice mix of a butter and cream. So it's not all the way butterful, but it's not like, because it's not like giving me like shea butter vibes. But at the same time, it's not like this leave-in conditioner that is like a lotion cream consistency. So just keep finessing this. It's holding up, and there's no, like, I like that the products are working together. Like, it's not white flakage. Then I just went in with this. This is the style cream. This is the consistency. Now I'm gonna go in with this multi-use pure oil blend. And then there's like also an additional cap so that we can seal this off when you're done. So I just pull her off, take a little bit in my hand, and show her some love. Everything, especially the ends. That is the tea on that. So far so good. You know, I love a minty smell. And these all have, so this one doesn't smell as much like the nail salon, but the first one really did remind me of the nail salon. It doesn't smell bad, it's just a fragrance that I remember. Whenever I tell you guys what something smells like, I go with what the first thing that comes to mind. And that's just that on that. Push this into sections. because I did pick a thicker bunch here. Drag the water all the way down and finger the tangle. Just gonna keep that all on point. And zoom, what it zoo. And I think that the part where you're like combing or out finger combing is really important, and you shouldn't really skip this step, because I like the feeling of actually finger combing, and then the brush comes in and just gives you that smoothness. Like, I think finger combing is very important, and then you get these like really nice curls. And now you go in with your leave-in conditioner, and you just continue to do that same method of just raking it in. And I move it around so that way every time I go through, I'm not going through to the same parts, front and back, because I want the front to be just as non-frizzy as the back. And right now this is just leave-in conditioner. And I don't know about you guys, but each time I do my hair, I get hair that comes out. For me, that's normal, so I know nothing's up. If it was something that was like a little crazy, then I would definitely say like, oh, well, I'm shedding like crazy. But no, that's normal for me, because I do not comb my hair all week. I don't actually comb my hair until I do this. And I don't really even consider this combing my hair, but I guess I'm finger combing it, so yeah. But I do not comb my hair all week. I leave it up, out and about, and I do not, the only thing I do in the morning is I take it from my pineapple, shake my head, and I might apply some oil because I want the shine to be back. Now going back in with this. So I went in with a lot more this time, like a lot heavier of a hand. But I do not have to reach back in, I can tell you that much. Nicely gliding the roots, because one, the roots is your newest part of your hair, so you want to make sure that they are nourished as well, and also just so that way the frizz can stay down. But okay, even with using a lot, I do not see any white, let's see, no white flakes, not an excessive amount of white residue, just showing that I did put a lot in some areas. But with just doing like this, they're now gone. Alrighty, so now again, go back in with this butter and hit them high, hit them high, hit them high. I decided to disrespect me, so I don't know where it left off until I'm editing. But this is where I'm at so far. I'm going to go and finish it up, the little bit that I have, and let it air dry, and then bring it back to you guys and tell you my thoughts on all these products. So if you want to see the final look, just keep on watching. So this is the finished look. Air drying is what I like to do. I haven't gotten back into hooded drying, especially because I live in a closet. I live in a shoe, and I smell like one too. As you can see, I have the super softest hold. I'm already frizzed out in the top of my head, and I don't know what the deal is, but I will tell you that the curl definition on the parts that did get the definition is very nice. So let me go through each product with you. Now, the product that I love so much is their leave-in conditioner, and the reason why I like this is because it's super light, but it's effective. As soon as it touched my hair, the hair just came to life. If I was to use this leave-in, because a lot of times I would use one leave-in and then use a different brand for my styling cream, this would perform amazingly because it's so light, and I feel like it's inviting for other products to go ahead and do their job while it's doing its job. So I highly recommend this product. I think this is awesome. The leave-in conditioner is bomb. Next, we have the styling cream. Now, the bottom of my hair played nicely with it, but the top of my hair, one side is okay, but then this is all frizzed out, and then this section here is completely frizzed out. So after I finish this, I don't think that I would buy her again. Now, I don't think that there's anything wrong with the product. I just think that for my hair needs, this didn't do what I needed it to do. Like, this is good for today. Like, this made today's hair look like day 2 hair, big, fluff, and just ready to go. But then tomorrow I'm gonna be in day 3 or 4 hair, even though it's only day 2, and then by the end of the night, because I have to go to work for the rest of the week, I'm gonna have to redo my hair. And I think that for sure, this I will buy again because I love that brands are coming out with, especially black-owned brands. Sorry, I'm biased. They're coming out with hair oil. So the Soultanicals as well as this one, definitely will buy them again. And I just love this. You can just take this here, put it in a bowl of hot water, and then even do a hot oil treatment here. Or if you want to do like I was doing to seal your hair, I think it's super beneficial. So for me, this was the star of the show, and I love that she made an oil for it. The styling cream just wasn't for me. My hair is just like not really into it. This is a huge bottle, so your girl's gonna finish all of it. But I will say that after she's empty, I probably won't buy her again. I know for me, for my high porosity hair, the two products that I mentioned, which is the leave-in conditioner and the oil, it really responds well to it. Whereas the styling cream, only the ends of my hair really respect it. I think that it's a super cute line of products. I think that I've watched the girl who made this on YouTube for a really long time. When I was first going natural, she was one of the ones that I watched a lot. I think it's really exciting, and I really love that black women come out with brands, and it's just like, yes, keep doing amazing things, and I'm gonna keep trying to support as long as I have money and a job. So please keep watching, so that way hopefully I can continue to keep doing this. You guys like this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you guys paired these products, if you've bought them, what your feelings on, if maybe you came across the same issue where your hair was frizzy, if you ran into the same frizz factor as I did, and how you combated that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with 5 of your friends, and have them share it with 5 of their friends, so we can keep going with this 5 for 5 deal and growing this channel. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.